Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be opening up the holiday seed pack with you guys, and this is what you are able to get. The Frosty Bite, Cryo Rose, Bush Flake, Rosemary, Cryo Shard, and Frostwing. This is very helpful if you want to complete the Christmas event achievements. So let's open it up and see what we get. I already have the Frosty Bite, so okay, I have the Frosty Bite again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really sorry. You can get it by purchasing it in the Season 3 Pass store. You can also get it by just the rewards here. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!